Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel इजी बायो विद सुहानी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एनिमल किंगडम पार्ट 3 फ्रॉम फाइलम पोरीफेरा टू फाइलम हेमिचोर्डा। इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट 10 फाइलम, उनके की फीचर्स, एग्जाम्पल्स और एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। तो वीडियो को इन तक ज़रूर देखें और अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। थैंक यू। First phylum is phylum Porifera. The term Porifera was coined by Robert E. Grant. This phylum contains pore-bearing animals. That's why the name of phylum is Porifera, and the animals are commonly called sponges. The animals of this phylum are exclusively marine in their habitat, except some freshwater from Spongilla. Animals are asymmetrical in which it cannot be divided into two equal halves passing through the any plane through the center. Presence of cellular body of level organization, presence of cell aggregate body plan, diploblastic animal, that is there is presence of two germ layer, that is ectoderm and endoderm during course of development. There is presence of two kinds of pore in their body. First is inhalent pore called oestia and second is exhalent pore called osculum. Two inhalent pore, that is oestia, the food along with water comes under body cavity. Two exhalent pore osculum, water expelled outside the body. The smallest sponges is known as Mucoso-Nania with radial symmetry. The largest sponges is Spongium, Spongia bestam. The chief vastly product by the animal of this phylum Porifera is ammonia. The study of phylum Porifera is called parazoology. The body cavity of sponges is called spongocele, which is like entirely bicolor cell oblique canocytes which help in intracellular digestion. The water along with food and gamete comes inside the spongocele or paragastric cavity where food particle is trapped by collar cell or canocytes where intracellular digestion takes place. Finally, the externally waste with water is realized outside the body through osculum. The last important point is presence of canal system is exclusive feature of phylum Porifera. Second phylum is phylum Coelenterata, इसे phylum Cnidaria भी कहते हैं. They are aquatic, mostly marine, sessile or free swimming, radially symmetrical animals. The name Cnidaria is derived from the nidoblasts or cnidocytes, which contain the stinging capsule or nematocytes present on the tentacles and the body. Nidoblasts are used for anchorage, defense, and for the capture of prey. Cnidarians exhibit tissue level of organization and are adipoblastic. They have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening mouth on hypostome. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular. Some of the cnidarians, example corals, have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Cnidarians exhibit two basic body forms called polyp and medusa. The former is a sessile and cylindrical form like Hydra, Adamsia, etc., whereas the latter is umbrella-shaped and free-swimming like Aurelia or jellyfish. Those cnidarians which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generation, means metagenesis, that is polyps produce medusae asexually, medusae form the polyps sexually, example Obelia. Another name for the phylum Coelenterata are group Coelos holoenteron gut, coined by Leuckart in 1847, is used less commonly. Multicellular organism with cell tissue level of body organization. There are three classes of phylum Coelenterata. First class is Hydrozoa. एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रा ओबेलिया, ओबेलिया को सीफर भी कहते हैं. और एग्जाम्पल इसका फाइशेलिया पोर्टुगीज मैन ऑफ वार. और एक है एग्जाम्पल वेला, इस लिटिल सेल भी कहते हैं, एंड पॉर्पिटा. सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ फाइलम सिलेंट्रेटा इज क्लास स्काइफोजोआ. इसके एग्जाम्पल है ऑरेलिया, इसे जेलीफिश कहते हैं, एंड राइजोस्टोमा. एंड सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ फाइलम सिलेंट्रेटा इज क्लास एंथोजोआ. इसके एग्जाम्पल है मेटेरिडियम, इसे सी एनीमोन कहते हैं, एल काइसोनियम, इसे ड्रैड मैंस फिंगर कहते हैं. और एग्जाम्पल है गॉर्जिया, एक है ट्यूबीफोरा, इसे ऑर्गन पाइप कोरल कहते हैं. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स एनसीईआरटी से है. नाइडेरिया शो रेडियल सिमेट्री. Pichinol in 1723 and Tremblay in 1744 proved cnidarians to be animals. Hartschek in 1888 used the term cnidaria. Cnidaria includes about 9,000 species. Examples Physalia, जिसे पोर्टुगीज मैन ऑफ वार कहते हैं, एडमेशिया जिसे सी एनीमोन कहते हैं, पिनेट्यूला जिसे सी पैन कहते हैं, ऑर्जोनिया जिसे सी फैन हो गया, एंड मिएंड्रेना ब्रेन कोरल. थर्ड फाइलम इज फाइलम टीनोफोरा. तो टीनोफोरा कॉमनली नोन एज सी वॉलनट्स और कॉम जेलीज आर एक्सक्लूसिवली मैराइन रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल डिप्लोब्लास्टिक ऑर्गेनिज्म विथ टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. The body wears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates which help in locomotion. जो comb plates mainly locomotion में helps करते हैं. Digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Sexes are not separate. Reproduction takes place only by sexual means. Diploblastic or perhaps triploblastic. Metazoa with ectoderm and endoderm. Separated by a cellular mesenchyma. Radial or biradial symmetry. The body axis is oral aboral. Gastrovascular cavity is the only body cavity gut with mouth. Stomodium and canals that branch completely through body gut ends into small anal pores. Without respiratory, excretory or circulatory system, and nervous system in the form of a nerve net or plexus, but more specialized than that of cnidarians. Fertilization in Ctenophora is external with indirect development. Scott in 1829 recognized the phylum Ctenophora. There are about 50 species of Ctenophora. There are two classes of phylum Ctenophora. That is, first is class is Tentaculata. इसके एग्जाम्पल है हॉर्मीफोरा. इसमें आ जाएंगे सी वॉलनट, प्लूरो ब्रांचिया, इसमें आएंगे सी गोसबेरी, टीनोफोरा सेस्टम, दिवेनस गिर्डल. एंड द सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ फाइलम टीनोफोरा इज क्लास न्यूडा. इसके एग्जाम्पल है बेरोई. द टीनोफोराज फीड ऑन जूप्लैंक्टन. एग्जाम्पल प्लूरो ब्रांचिया, हॉर्मीफ्रा, सेस्टम, वेलामेन, ट्यूनोप्लाना, बेरोनेस एक्सेट्रा. फोर्थ फाइलम इज फाइलम प्लैटीहेलमिंथस. तो प्लैटीहेलमिंथस में मेनली फ्लैटवर्म आएंगे. तो दे हैव डॉर्सल वेंट्रली फ्लैटेंड बॉडी, हेंस आर कॉल्ड फ्लैटवर्म्स. दे आर मोस्टली इंडोपैरासाइट्स फूड इन एनिमल्स फाउंड इन एनिमल्स इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन बींग्स. जो मोस्टली इंडोपैरासाइट्स होते हैं और मेनली जो ह्यूमन बींग्स में ही पाए जाते हैं. Flatworms are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic and acoelomate animal with organ level of organization. Some of them absorbs nutrients from the host and directly through their body surface. Specialized cells called flame cells help in osmoregulation and excretion. एक स्पेशल सेल पाया जाता है फ्लैटवर्म्स में जिसे फ्लेम सेल्स कहते हैं, जो कि ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन और एक्सक्रीशन में हेल्प करता है. सम मेंबर्स लाइक प्लानेरिया पोजेस हाई रिजेनरेशन कैपेसिटी. तो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, जो प्लानेरिया जो है पोजेस करते हैं हाई रीजेनरेशन कैपेसिटी को. बायलैटरल सिमेट्री, डिफिनिट इंटीरियर and posterior ends. Digestive system is incomplete, having mouth opening but no anus, gut absent in some. There are three classes of phylum Platyhelminthes. The first class is class Tuvularia. इसके example है Planaria, Bipalium, Thysanozoon. And second class of Platyhelminthes is class Trematoda. इसके example Fasciola hepatica, sheep liver fluke भी कहते हैं, Fascicola gigata, Polystomum. And third class of phylum Platyhelminthes is class Cystoda. Example Taenia Sulium, Taenia saginata, Echinococcus granulosus etc. Example जो है Platyhelminthes के हो जाएंगे Fasciolopus busci, intestinal fluke, Pelagonimus, Bister, Manny lung fluke, Zizenborn, एक scientist है, in 1859 gave the term Platyhelminthes. Includes about 1300 species. Example Taenia tapeworm, Fasciola liver fluke. फिफ्थ फाइलम इज फाइलम आस्कहेलमिंथस. तो इसमें राउंड वर्म्स आएंगे. द बॉडी ऑफ द आस्कहेलमिंथस इज सर्कुलर इन क्रॉस सेक्शन, हेंस द नेम राउंड वर्म्स. दे मे बी फ्री लिविंग, एक्वेटिक और टेरेस्ट्रियल और पैरासाइटिक इन प्लांट. राउंड वर्म हैव ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मेनली टू क्लास ऑफ फाइलम आस्कहेलमिंथस. फर्स्ट क्लास इज Phasmidia. इसके एग्जाम्पल Ascaris, Dracunculus, Lauloa, Trichuris. And second class of phylum Aschelminthus is class Phasmidia. इसके एग्जाम्पल है Trichinella and Trichuris. इसके और एग्जाम्पल आस्कहेलमिंथस हो जाएंगे Wucheria, Ascaris, जिसे राउंड वर्म कहते हैं, एंड साइक्लोस्टोमाटा. एक साइंटिस्ट नेम Zizenborn in 1859 proposed the term Aschelminthus. Include 15,000 species. They are bilateral, triploblastic and pseudocoelomate animal. तो एग्जाम्पल्स हो जाएंगे फाइलम आस्कहेलमिंथस के Ascaris इन राउंड वर्म, Wucheria इन फ्लैरियल वर्म, एंड साइक्लोस्टोमाटा से हुक वर्म कहते हैं, Lauloa, Dracunculus, Trichuris. Sixth phylum is phylum Annelida. They may be aquatic or terrestrial, free living and sometimes parasitic. They exhibit organ system level of body organization and bilateral symmetry. They are diploblastic, metamerically segmented and coelomate animals. They possess longitudinal and circular muscles which help in locomotion. A closed circulatory system is present in phylum Annelida. Nephridia helps in excretion and osmoregulation. तो नेफ्रिडिया जो इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया, ये शो करता है एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन ऑफ फाइलम एनिलिडा के. एंड बॉडी वॉल विथ आउटर सर्कुलर एंड इनर लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मसल्स लेयर. बॉडी कैविटी इज a true coelom, well developed and divided by septa except in leeches. Respiratory gas exchange through skin, gills or parapodia. There are mainly 5 classes of phylum Annelida. First class of phylum Annelida is class Archaeannelida. Example Dinophilus, Polygordius. Second class of phylum Annelida is class Polychaeta. Example Nereis, Aphrodite, Seamouse कहते हैं, Polynoi, scale worm. Third class of class phylum Annelida is class Oligochaeta. Example Parenchyma, Indian earthworm, Lumbricus, European earthworm, Tubifex, Megasochlyx, common earthworm or South Indian. Fourth class of phylum Annelida is class Hirudinea. Example Hirudinaria, blood sucking leech, Pontobledilla, Hiruda, Acanthobedilla. And fifth class of phylum Annelida is class Eucheridia. Example Bonellia, Echinurus. Example of phylum Annelida is Nereis, Ferritima, earthworm, and Hirudinaria, blood-sucking leech. The scientist named Lamarck in 1801 established phylum Annelida. The phylum Annelida includes over 9,000 species. 7 phylum is phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum. Arthropoda जो है पूरे phylums में सबसे largest phylum है. पूरे एनिमल किंगडम का, which includes insects. Over two-thirds of the named species on Earth are arthropods. They have organ system of level organization. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. The term arthropoda was coined by von Siebold in 1845. He established it as phylum. They occur in land, soil, seawater, and in fresh water, and in the bodies of animals and plants as parasites. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic. They are segmented and coelomate animals. The body of arthropods is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Respiratory organs in phylum Arthropoda are gills, book, lungs, or tracheal system. It is important. Blood vascular system is of open type in phylum Arthropoda. Excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules in Arthropoda. Examples हो गया Arthropoda के apis, honeybee, bombyx, silkworm, laccifer, lac insects. Vectors हो गया जैसे कि anopheles, culex and aedes mosquitoes. Gregarious pest, locust, living fossil, Limulus, king crab. Arthropoda is divided into 7 classes. The first class is class Crustacea. Example: Palaemon, prawn, crayfish, lobster, crab, lucifer, shrimp, hermit crab, gooseberry, Balanus, Daphnia, water flea, etc. Second class of arthropoda is class Chilopoda. Example: Scolopendra, centipede. Third class is Diplopoda. Example: Julius, millipede. Fourth class Insecta, Hexapoda. Third class Insecta. Example is silverfish, cockroach, butterflies, bedbug, locusts, termites, ratfly, beetle, wasp, aphid, silk moth, etc. Fifth class of phylum Arthropoda is class Arachnidia. Example: scorpion, spider, tick, mite. Sixth class of phylum Arthropoda is class Onychophora. Example: Peripatus. And last, seventh class of phylum Arthropoda is class Merostomata. Example: Limulus. Eighth phylum is phylum Mollusca. तो phylum Mollusca is second largest phylum. तो आर्थ्रोपोडा जो था वो फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट फाइलम था पूरे 10th फाइलम में, और उसके बाद जो लार्जेस्ट फाइलम है वो है मॉलुस्का. मॉलुस्काज आर टेरेस्ट्रियल और एक्वेटिक, मतलब कि ये टेरेस्ट्रियल भी और एक्वेटिक भी, बोथ मैराइन और फ्रेश वाटर. दे हैव ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals. Body is covered by a calcareous shell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Mollusca have respiratory and excretory functions. The scientist named Johnston gave the term mollusca. The mouth contains a file-like rasping organ for feeding called radula. They are usually dioecious and oviparous with indirect development. Examples of mollusca: Pila, apple snail, Pincetida, pearl oyster, sepia, cuttlefish, loligo, squid, octopus, devilfish, Aplysia, sea hare, Dentalium, tusk shell, and Catopelura. Cyton. Mollusca is divided into 6 classes. First class is Monoplacophora. Example: Neoplena. Second class Amphineura. Example: Chaetopleura, chiton. Third class Scaphopoda. Example: Dentalium. Fourth class is Gastropoda. Example: Pila, Limax, Cypre, Cowrie, Helix, garden snail, Doris, sea lemon, Limanae, pond snail, Planonorbis, Patella, true limpet, Turbinella, shank, Cressis, sea butterfly. Fifth class of phylum Mollusca is Pelecycopoda or Lamellibranchiata or Bivallia. Example: Unio, Mytilus, Teredo, shipworm, Enesis, Solane, Oystra, Pecten, Pinctada. Sixth class is class Cephalopoda. Example sepia, loligo, octopus, nautilus. इसे purely nautilus कहते हैं. Ninth phylum is phylum Echinodermata. The scientist Jacob Klein in 1738 introduced the name Echinodermata. Echinodermata is the spiny skinned animals. These animals have an endoskeleton called of calcareous ossicles. All animals are marine. They have organ system level of organization. The adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical, but larvae are bilateral symmetrical. They are triploblastic and coelomate animals. The most distinctive feature of echinoderms is the presence of water vascular system, which helps in locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration, and excretory system is absent. In phylum Echinodermata, sexes are separate. Reproduction is sexual. Fertilization is usually external. Development is indirect with free swimming larvae. Echinodermata is divided into 5 classes. First class Asteroidea. Example Asterias starfish, Pentacerus starfish, Astropecten starfish. Second class Ophiuridia. Example Ophiothrix, brittle star, Ophioderma, Ophiocoma, Ophiura, brittle star. Third class Echinoidea. Example Echinus, Clypestrus, Echinus, Echinocardium. Fourth class Holothuroidea. Example Holothuria, sea cucumber, Cucumaria. Fifth class Crinoidea. Example Antedon, feather star, sea lilies. Examples of phylum Echinodermata are Asterias starfish, Echinus, Eurichin, Antedon, sea lily, Cucumania, sea cucumber, and Ophiura, brittle star. And the last 10th phylum is phylum Hemichordata. The scientist Bateson in 1885 considered Hemichordata as a subphylum under phylum Chordata, but on grounds of its general organization, recent scientists like van der Horst in 1939 and Daloidov in 1948, Marcus in 1958, and Hyman in 1959 have given it the status of a phylum under non-chordata. Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata. Now it is placed as a separate phylum under non-chordata. This phylum consists of a small group of worm-like marine animals. They have an organ system level of organization. The body is cylindrical. They are composed of an anterior proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate animals. In phylum Hemichordata, the circulatory system is of open type. Respiration takes place through gills. In Hemichordata, excretory organ is proboscis gland. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect. Example under phylum Hemichordata are Blanoglossus and Saccoglossus, Cephalodiscus and Rhabdopleura.